Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Brother Tze Tape is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for anyone looking to organize their life, label their belongings, or create professional-looking signage, offering a durable and reliable solution for a wide range of applications, from home organization to industrial labeling needs, ensuring your labels stay put no matter the conditions. Number 5. Brother Tze Tape 231 2-pack tape. Introducing the Brother Tze Tape 231 2-pack tape. These are the most durable labels available for your P-Touch label maker, ensuring professional-looking results every time. Engineered for long-lasting adhesion and legibility, these labels are rigorously tested for rugged indoor and outdoor conditions. They resist fading, abrasion, water, and chemicals. Featuring patented 7-layer lamination technology, the surface is reinforced and protected. This makes them thin yet remarkably durable, with text shielded between layers for ultimate protection. These labels offer superior adhesion and withstand rigorous use, staying put even in dishwashers or microwaves. They are ideal for both smooth and textured surfaces. Choose from a versatile range of colors, sizes, and styles to meet all your labeling needs. They are perfect for creating barcodes, QR codes, and organizing any space. What we like. These labels are built to last, withstanding extreme conditions. If you need labels for harsh environments or long-term storage, this is your go-to choice. Its robust construction ensures your labels remain legible and intact. What people say. The black font on white labels is easy to read, and the adhesive sticks well to storage boxes. This tape prints clean, high-contrast labels that are easy to read. The laminated finish holds up well to handling and looks professional on bins, folders, and containers. Works perfectly in my Brother PTH103W label maker. Number 4. Brother Tze 231 tape. Introducing the Brother Tze 231 tape, designed for durability and clarity. This 2-inch wide tape is perfect for creating professional labels indoors or outdoors. Experience the most durable labels for your P-Touch label maker. They are engineered for long-lasting adhesion and legibility, ensuring your labels stand the test of time. Our labels are rigorously tested to withstand a wide range of environments. They are resistant to sunlight, abrasion, water, and chemicals, performing reliably from freezing to boiling temperatures. Featuring a powerful 7-layer lamination, this tape offers ultimate protection. The text is printed between layers, safeguarding it from wear and tear for unmatched durability. Enjoy superior adhesion that withstands rigorous use. These labels stay put on various surfaces, even in challenging conditions like dishwashers or microwaves. Discover a versatile range of colors, sizes, and styles to meet all your labeling needs. Create barcodes and QR codes easily, making it ideal for any workspace or living space. What we like. This tape offers a great balance of durability and versatility for everyday labeling needs. If you're looking for reliable labels for general organization around the house or office, this is a solid option. It handles moisture and general wear and tear with ease. What people say. The black font on white labels is easy to read, and the adhesive sticks well to storage boxes. This tape prints clean, high-contrast labels that are easy to read. The laminated finish holds up well to handling and looks professional on bins, folders, and containers. Works perfectly in my Brother PTH103W label maker. Number 3. Brother Tze 131 tape. Introducing the Brother Tze 131 tape, a versatile and durable solution for all your labeling needs. This single-pack tape offers exceptional performance for both indoor and outdoor applications. Experience the most durable labels available for your P-Touch label maker. They are engineered for long-lasting adhesion and legibility, ensuring your labels look professional and last. These labels are rigorously tested to withstand a wide range of environments. They are resistant to fading from sunlight, abrasion, water, and various chemicals, making them ideal for rugged conditions. Featuring a patented 7-layer lamination technology, this tape offers superior protection. The text is printed between layers, safeguarding it against wear and tear for ultimate durability. Enjoy superior adhesion that withstands rigorous use. These labels stay put on smooth or textured surfaces, even in demanding conditions like dishwashers or microwaves. Explore a versatile range of colors, sizes, and styles to suit any job. Create barcodes and QR codes easily, perfect for organizing workspaces, storage, and living areas. What we like. Achieve a clean, professional look with these clear labels. If you want your labels to blend in or highlight the item itself, this is perfect. It's ideal for organizing and labeling items where the underlying surface should be visible. What people say. The app is easy for this old codger, and the labels are perfect. I've labeled all those power cords to various devices, ones I couldn't remember otherwise. I also collect meteorites, and these labels have helped organize and keep track of my specimens. It takes literally 5 seconds to change the cartridge from white to clear. Very well designed, a small footprint, cost-effective. There are techniques for minimizing wasted tape, such as waiting to print cut until several labels have been done. Great label. It's strong and secure, has clarity and is a really great size. It's also very easy to apply. Number 2. Tze Tape 12mm clear replacement for Brother Tze Tape. Introducing our 12mm clear laminated tape, designed for clarity and durability. It's perfect for all your labeling needs. These tapes feature a split backing for effortless peeling and sticking. Get your labels applied quickly and easily. Our tape is built to last, resisting abrasions, extreme temperatures, spills, and fading. You can rely on it in any environment. This replacement tape works seamlessly with a wide range of Brother Tze Tape label makers. Please check compatibility with your specific model. Get a 4-pack of 12mm clear tapes, each measuring 26.2 feet. This offers great value and ensures you have plenty of tape on hand. This tape is a reliable alternative to Tze 131 and Tze 131 cartridges. Enjoy consistent performance for your Tze Tape devices. What we like. Get more for your money with this value pack of clear labels. If you go through a lot of labels and want a cost-effective solution, this is a great pick. The easy peel backing makes application quick and hassle-free. What people say. These works like the authentic brand name ones but a lot better priced. Now I don't have to worry that I am using too much tape if I make a mistake. Very good quality and adheres well. It works as it should. The two are similar in appearance. I have used Tze's tape for years in my Brother Tze Tape. Fit my machine and worked great. Number 1. Labelife Tze 335 white on black label tape 4-pack. Introducing our 4-pack of white on black label tapes. These tapes offer a clear and durable solution for all your labeling needs. Designed to work seamlessly with a wide range of Brother Tze Tape label makers. Ensure your device uses Tze or Tze tapes for a perfect fit. These laminated tapes are built to last, suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. The white print on black background ensures high visibility. Featuring an easy peel split backing, applying these labels is a breeze. Get your organizing done quickly and efficiently. Ideal for various settings, including offices, homes, and retail environments. Label shelves, files, cabinets, and more with confidence. This 4-pack provides ample tape for all your projects, offering great value and convenience. Each roll is 26.2 feet long. What we like. Make your label stand out with this striking white on black option. If you need maximum readability and impact, especially in busy environments, this is the tape for you. It's perfect for important warnings, signage, or anything that needs to grab attention. What people say. These fit and work perfectly with my label maker. The white on black is classy looking. Works great. Fit my label maker perfectly and printed beautifully. These seem to be just as good as the name brand labels and quite a bit more affordable. They look nice, stick nice, and what I really love is that even though they stick so well, they're pretty easy to remove and they don't leave residue behind. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.